Hello all, long time no see. Lately, many significant events in crypto, particularly through Bitcoin spot ETF. What about its past? Bitcoin didn't rise much, loan series skyrocketing. What are the reasons and logic behind that? And what other tokens are there next? Can there be a greater chance of explosion? Don't miss the movie today. This time past, the spot ETF of Bitcoin can be seen as a major milestone in the crypto circle. What's the daily trend of Bitcoin? Its ruling rate has bottomed out for now. In the short term, its increase has reached its peak. The altcoin season led by Ethereum is about to start. In fact, this is the form that I have shared in the previous few episodes. I have mentioned it before, Ethereum will be next year. Of course, it's now. It is the first and second quarters of the year 24. Welcome to a wave of momentum. It will be particularly crazy. That and the Ethereum ecosystem series tokens. They will all be very, very crazy. I expect this little bull to continue about 1 to 3 months. Regarding US stock market, new high for income reaching peak in 2 years. What about recent trends? Tokens all experience significant increases. In my opinion, how many tokens next? Everyone pay attention. First, let's analyze the Bitcoin market. This is OKX's perpetual contract trading. What happens after a big profit taking? I think 40,000 and around 36,005 below all can be super points. I believe Bitcoin short-term is at a strong resistance level or 0.786 to the second half. Above is just a position to walk only $40,500 until approximately $51,000. The price is highly likely to continue to rise, sprint to new heights, and then fall back down. For BTC, the integer part is merely a resistance zone. If it goes down, I believe it could potentially drop to approximately $44,000. Traders prefer closing price of candlestick chart. Entity line collects line, expect fall to $45,500. It's also a very reasonable state. Each side enters an uptrend because ETH has long been suppressed by BTC. Ethereum has been in a long-term state of stagnation. After the ETF is launched, it will be beneficial. Fell into the strong influence of Bitcoin in the early stage. ETF event pressure causing traffic, attention, and money to all focus on Ethereum. The ETF event has already landed. The daily performance of Ethereum is exceptionally strong. It has experienced a direct increase of nearly 10 percentage points in value. Then I expect Ethereum during the following period, the next quarter and the second quarter, still have better performance. So all individuals can perpetually stay tuned to the question, how high will Ethereum ascend? Then switch to the weekly level to see. You can see around $3,500. It is an early main area of Ethereum. Historical reference. Ethereum's increase this time may reach 3K, 3.5K based on past trends. What is the current Ethereum increase? After reaching this position, there may be callbacks or plate washing. What's the rise in Ethereum now and upwards? All people have the ability to see an approximate amount of 3,900. Moreover, this corresponds to the weekly level of Ether. The two lines ahead on a weekly basis have not been able to break through. This is exerting a significant amount of strong pressure. Then we can see EMS. It is also today's daily increase list, a very dazzling star. What about EMS? Recent performance has been good. Reason is influenced by Ethereum ecosystem. It has started to rise. Can still catch up. Let's take a look at the weekly level. The weekly level EMS is still in a very strong state. I believe it is relatively strong. Above the resistance zone is approximately $28. Be mindful of the small partner you want to track. Your profit margin may be lower than ours. Everyone must pay attention. Next, I'll suggest undervalued tokens to all. Truly a treasure. Listen carefully to the wealth password. One of the projects is called Joe. Subsequently, this particular token is referred to as Arbitron. Star of Ethereum ecosystem. Big DEX on Ethereum L2 chain, affected by second layer network in early stage. Direct translation has more than 3 times recently. This token has shown a downward trend on the weekly chart. I believe you can still contemplate purchasing it. Where is the level of support for it? Recommend a few entry points for everyone. First of all, one is around 0.5. Consider opening the first position. Our token and the busy trading area below, you can see this area has many transactions. And we have one. Position unbreakable. Support below this time, around 0.39. Consider opening a position $0.25 below. But this token, I think it's a bear market. Including after the L2 outbreak, there will still be strong performing tokens. And it is still in the callback stage. Hurry up and buy. After all, videos are filmed, so I'm prompt. Sometimes you lack time to view. So I'll end here today. That's it for today. It's quite cold here. The sky is also dark. I'll just do it today like this. See you another day. Goodbye.